Noticing your Spectrum modem doing a light show, flashing blue and white? Don't panic. In most cases, this is totally normal. But sometimes, it means something's wrong. In this video, I'll show you exactly what those flashing lights mean and how to fix it in minutes. Let's get started. If your Spectrum modem or router light is flashing blue, it can be frustrating. First, let's understand when modem flashing blue lights. A flashing blue light on your Spectrum router typically means that your router is trying to connect to the internet, but is having trouble establishing a connection. But if it's been flashing for more than 10 minutes, or if the lights never turn solid, there's likely an issue. This can happen for a variety of reasons, but here's a step-by-step guide to get it working again. Step 1. Power cycle your router. Unplug your router from the power outlet and wait for at least 30 seconds. This gives it a chance to reset and clear any temporary issues. After waiting, plug your router back in and wait for the lights to stabilize. If the blue light turns solid, you're back online. If it's still flashing, keep watching for more steps. Step 2. Check for service outages. Check for service outages in your area. Sometimes a flashing blue light is caused by a problem with your internet service provider. To check, visit the Spectrum website or use the Spectrum app to see if there are any ongoing outages. If there's an outage, you'll just need to wait for it to be resolved. Once the service is restored, your blue light should stop flashing. Step 3. Check cable connections. Inspect your cable connections. Cables, including the power cord, Ethernet, and coaxial cables, are securely plugged in. Loose or damaged cables can cause connectivity issues. Check the coaxial cable connecting your router to the wall outlet. A loose or improperly connected cable can prevent the router from syncing with the internet properly. Step 4. Reset the router to factory settings. Reset your router to factory settings if the above steps haven't worked. Try resetting your router. To do this, locate the reset button on the back of your router. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds using a paper clip or pen. This will restore the router to its default settings, which may resolve any persistent issues. Once reset, you'll need to reconfigure your router settings, such as internet settings, your Wi-Fi network name and password. Step 5. Contact Spectrum support. Contact Spectrum support if none of the previous steps worked. There might be a more serious issue with your router or internet connection. Reach out to Spectrum's customer support team for further assistance. You can call their support line or chat with a representative on their website. They can walk you through additional troubleshooting steps or help you arrange a technician visit if necessary. We hope this guide helped you fix the flashing blue and white light on your Spectrum router. Remember, if in doubt, Spectrum support team is always ready to assist. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.